Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide blank thumbnail or image for events in WordPress. Before starting, like as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our events, and then you don't see any image. We don't add feature image for this event. Now you see feature image we added for this event, but we are going to hide blank image or thumbnail for these event where we don't add any feature image. Now you see, so right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are going to hide using CSS. Now inspect element open and then you see div class. So this is our placeholder image. Now you see, so we are going to hide it. Now you see custom CSS. Now copy, go to customize section, additional CSS. Now paste, and then we are going to add display none. So we added display none and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So we are going to hide placeholder image for event where we don't add any feature image. Now you see placeholder right for events where we don't add any feature image. So this is our feature image for this event display. So you can hide using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.